Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Claude Pro and Gemini Pro. Claude Pro is a paid version of Claude AI that gives you stronger performance, deeper reasoning, and more reliable results than the free version. With Claude Pro, answers feel clearer and more accurate, especially on longer topics or detailed tasks. It handles writing, research, planning, summaries, and professional work very well, without losing track of long conversations. Claude Pro is especially useful if you need structured explanations, logical problem solving, or help with documents and reports. It is designed to reduce mistakes and keep context even when prompts get complicated, which makes it great for students, professionals, and anyone who works with detailed information. On the other hand, Gemini Pro is Google's advanced AI subscription that offers powerful reasoning across text, images, audio, video, and even code. Gemini Pro excels at understanding multi-model inputs and real-time data, which makes it strong for tasks that involve live information or current events. It also integrates closely with Google's ecosystems, so it can combine search, knowledge, and creative reasoning to give up-to-date insights. Gemini Pro works well for interactive and creative tasks, complex planning, and building real-time tools or visualizations. Because it can bring in the latest information and handle many types of inputs, it feels more flexible for everyday use where context and timing matter. Overall, in 2026, Claude Pro offers the most value if your main need is detailed, reliable, and structured responses for writing, research, and deep reasoning. Gemini Pro offers the most value if you want up-to-date information, multi-model understanding, and creative or interactive capabilities that go beyond text. Claude Pro is solid for focused work and professional tasks, while Gemini Pro shines when you need dynamic information and broad versatility. The choice depends on whether you value depth and clarity with Claude Pro or live data and multi-model power with Gemini Pro. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.